In this video, I'll show you how to create a realistic water reflection text effect using Canva. This is super easy and perfect for beginners. First, open Canva. Go to Video and select the square video option. Now go to Elements and search for Image. Find a water reflection image and set it as your background. Go to Text and type your text. Change the font style and set the text color to white. Now copy this text to a new page. It may look blank because the text is white on a white background. That's okay. Select the text, then go to Apps and search for Design to Image. Open it and convert your text into a transparent PNG image. Now drag this PNG image back to the first page. Resize it so it perfectly matches the original text. Click on the image, go to Flip, and select Flip Vertical. Place this flip text just below the original text to create a reflection effect. Go to Edit and select the Bad TV effect, then choose Warp. Reduce Thick Distort to 0 and increase Fine Distort for a realistic water effect. Finally, reduce the transparency of the reflected text to make it look natural. And that's it. Your realistic water reflection text effect is ready. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.